Before you start working on your shopping list, make sure you have your production numbers ready to go. And that was done when you had clicked on the Edit Menu tab. And to the right of each recipe here, you can put your production numbers, so make sure they're accurate. And then when those are accurate and ready to go, you can click on your shopping list. The shopping list has several columns in it. There's the ingredients, there's the UPC code, the quantity that's needed, the vendor ingredients from DSSI, your order guide, and then how it's packaged. And then there's two places where you can put the number of things you need to order. There's a number of units and then the partial orders for those that need that. So the first thing you want to do is go to the date beginning and date ending and tell the program what date range you're going to be ordering your food for. So for example, if I have a truck coming in and I want to order from Tuesday the 5th to maybe Monday the 11th. And so you change that date range to what you need, and you'll notice as you change the date range, it's going to give you a list of exactly what you need. And then what you're going to do is select what you need to actually order. And so for example, I can go down to the flour and I see that I need 4.5 pounds of flour, and then I can put the number 1 here, and that will order a 50-pound bag for me. So you can scroll through this list and start ordering the items that you need. Now another thing you can do on the screen is we're going to go down to the produce, and I can hover my mouse over each recipe, and as I do that, it'll tell me how many recipes how many recipes have that ingredient in it. So for the carrots, I'm going to click on the little bubble that pops open here, and it tells me that I have 4 recipes that have carrots in it. Now we also want to double check that we're getting the right item from DSSI's order guide here, and so you can click on the down arrow, and then I can start typing here and type the word carrot, and it tells me there's 4 different carrots I could get, and then you can hover over which one that you'd like to have and click on it, and it'll put it in that spot for you. So make sure that you are picking the right items here and just double checking that. And now carrots, it looks like I need 8.5 pounds of it, and so I can do a partial order here just by putting a number here. So we're just going to come down through here and put some different numbers, and anyway, you're going to go through each one of these, and then you're going to scroll down, and we can also add extra items here which are usually going to be non-food items. And so this first one that's here is aluminum foil, and I can click on this down arrow again if I want to change that type of foil. There's these other kinds as well, and you just click on it, and then you can order that as you need to. So you can add as many items as you want here that are typically non-food items that are on your list, and it'll stay on this list, and it'll remember it, and then you can always double check and see if you need it or not. You also can add extra rows, so just go over here where it says add row and add as many rows as you need to for this list. Once you get everything ready to go, keep on scrolling down the bottom, and you're going to see a total there, and then you're going to click on purchase from vendor, and that's going to order from DSSI, and then you'll want to go ahead and log into DSSI and just double check things and make any adjustments you might need. So that's how you will put in your orders.